Hello world, Porter here. I'm excited to bring you a first look at the Acer Predator Helios 300. This is a sweet laptop I managed to pick up a couple days ago on Amazon Prime Day here in the United States for about $1,000. If you want to look over the full specifications, take a look in the description down below. But bottom line, this is a beast of a laptop. It's rocking a 9th generation Intel Core i7 9750H with 16 gigabytes of RAM, a GTX 1660 Ti from NVIDIA. So on paper, this laptop is looking pretty beast to me. So let's take a look. All right, and the Acer Predator Helios 300. And I gotta say, I am very happy to have some subscribers now to share this with. This is really this is Christmas for me. Technology, laptops, it is all just a candy store for me. If I win the lottery, $10 million, it's not gonna be cars, Lamborghini, all tech. Taking this out, I'm already super pleased with this presentation. Really stunning. Very clean, elite look. Inside of the box, there's a secondary box just for the laptop, and it just has their Predator logo on here. It's in this nice holographic finish. Very elite looking package. Very excited. This is definitely getting me excited to try this out. Predator Helios 300. So excited. Very nice. Set this aside. Let's take a look at everything else that's in the box. Another card with a holographic Predator logo. They're very proud of their Predator branding and their premium service. But it looks just like your standard 1-year warranty. So, okay. Hopefully we don't need it, Acer. Hopefully we don't need it. Okay, and what looks like a card, almost like an invite to some kind of cult. Just standard stuff here. Detailing operation of the machine. Trouble. Okay, please, no trouble, Acer. Now I am seeing there's a HDD upgrade kit. This is nice. So it looks like this is a tray. So this is gonna be for expansion, and this is appearing to be the 2.5-inch drive bay size. So this can fit a full-sized 2.5-inch SATA hard drive or SSD, it looks like. And here's a included ribbon cable with SATA to hook up to the motherboard, and then this will hook up to our expansion drive. So great. Looks like right out of the box, we're already seeing this laptop gamer-friendly, upgrade-friendly. So far, positive vibes. All right, this appears to be the power adapter. It's feeling a little bit heavy, but to be honest, I was expecting that. This is a lot of power. So actually, overall surprised, this power adapter definitely looks fairly manageable. Just for some comparison here, this is from our Acer Predator Helios 300. Here's my power adapter from my MSI GL63 that's been seen on the channel. Same exact specs, same processor, same graphics card, and we can just see the difference here. Okay, the MSI is clearly bigger. It's double the width, much heavier. So right out of the gate, I'm already impressed. Putting money into the details. So what we have is a very light, manageable power supply. I'm loving it. All around, thumbs up from me. Thumbs down, MSI. Not good enough. And the main show, what we all came for. And whoa, this is quite a package here. This is hefty. This is going to be durable. Definitely okay bringing to school or work if you're a student, whatever you are, but this just screams gamer for sure. It has a nice, reflective, shiny metal trim around the edges. A lot of style here. Wow, this is a sweet package. I have not used any of the Acer Predator gaming laptops. The last Acer laptop I used was almost 10 years ago. It was a terrible experience. I think a lot of my games wouldn't run because it said GPU unrecognized, but this is looking good so far, Acer. Up on the right side here, we've got an HDMI port, mini display port, USB 3.0, and a USB-C also rated at 3.0 speeds. So great I/O options on the right side of the laptop, and we've got some more. So looks like Kensington lock, DC power connector, gigabit LAN it's looking like, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Looks like we have a plentiful amount of ventilation along the back. Very, very attractive vents along the back. It looks like we have a brushed blue colored copper grills on the inside. Very, very nice look. Along the bottom, we have a plentiful amount of ventilation and grills opening up along the entire bottom of the chassis. So what I'm seeing is this is looking really promising. One of the biggest concerns from my viewers is thermals, and it's looking like an overall solid package. And let's go ahead and open it up. Very small amount of flex. What's looking like so far. Good hardware. And wow, that is just a beauty. So what we see is very small bezels along the sides here. Very nice look. You've got a webcam. Shame on you, Asus. Acer did it. You can too. We have a full keyboard with number pad and what's looking like a very, very roomy trackpad that feels like it has a very smooth finish here, at least bearable to use. I had to plug it in as there was no charge out of the box, unfortunately. Let's turn it on. I want to see the backlight of this keyboard. All right, what I'm seeing on the keyboard is a very clean, it just looks like a simple blue backlight here, blue colored plastic, and it looks like there is a bit of a differentiation for the WASD keys as well as the arrow keys. So what I'm saying is just a very simple light blue backlight just to complement the color scheme of the rest of the laptop. Not anything as flashy compared with what we might see from MSI with a full pulsing RGB keyboard, for example. It is definitely looking clean. So this would be nice to type on at night, for example. So far, definitely pleased with this. And ooh, how fast that mouse is moving and responding. It's just, woo, getting me excited here. 144 Hertz. There it is. That's the unboxing of the Acer Predator Helios 300. I'm gonna daily drive it for the next few days. I'm gonna benchmark it like crazy and be putting all those numbers up on daportodev.com. Pretty epic. I'm definitely happy I bought this. Already I can say I'm excited. I want this laptop to be good. And depending on how the testing goes, we'll see if I can use this as my main primary laptop going forward. So thanks for watching. Like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I've spent my time reading many reviews on this laptop, and it definitely looks like there's a lot of mixed experiences out there. You'll definitely want to stay tuned for my full review. If you want to get insights on this laptop between now and when I upload my full review video, you're definitely welcome to join my Discord server, link in the video description down below. I will also be publishing benchmarks to this laptop as I go, day by day while I'm using it, to my website at daportodev.com. So, thanks again for watching. Daportodev out.